cold start today. Let's take a minute and reflect, if you've been around with us for the past 5 years, how dopey it is that I just drove my minivan full of crusty treats in the back and kids' toys and a double stroller to my 4th dopey challenge. I just wanted to point that out, that is incredible. Happy dopey weekend. Let's have some fun. Good morning. We are so glad you're here. We daily vlog, so if you enjoy this video, make sure you come back every single day, especially the next 4, because it's marathon weekend in Walt Disney World, and it's time to have a lot of fun. If you want some, just let me know. Check it out. Alright, so we are in race grounds. I'm waiting for some of my friends that are staying at the resorts to show up, because they'll let you park and they'll start security at the same time they start resort transportation. And I'm here to check out some of the maps because I didn't go into the expo part that had these yesterday, just Sarah did. So then I'm gonna get some Joffreys maybe. Characters this morning, I was kind of hoping for Max Justice Powerline, but we got Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Daisy. So classic start to marathon weekend. It's really humid, but it's gonna be a good day. I like to indulge on some of the early dopey weekend days with some Joffreys. I get too stressed for the half and full to have it before. So we're getting some good old Joffreys. Hey! Is my fellow dopey, is my fellow dopey. We got coffee so we can run to the porta potties right at the beginning of the 5K. It's just a strategic move.
Yeah.
Neither of us have slept. It's very bright. Neither of us have slept.
Maybe not 2 hours, maybe.
I slept exactly 2 hours. So I'm running on coffee and dreams.
Dreams. Cheers.
You're gonna do great.
Yeah.
Alright, super strange for me not to run to the front of the corral when they let us in, but I was just chit-chatting with Carolyn, choosing a different corral. I love just these Run Disney mornings. I love the vibe. Today feels extra vibey in the air. Ran into my friend Jared, another Orlando runner. He's great. He's always at Run Disney. Big supporter of each other. Saw Greg from Rise and Run podcast. Katie and Megan are here somewhere, but they're too cool. They're hanging out with other people. I was texting Katie like, hey, where are you? She's dressed up as a banana somewhere, so hopefully I'll see her. And then me and Carolyn were just chit-chatting, soaking in all the cool vibes. So I'm gonna go in. Race starts in about 45 minutes. I'm gonna go into my corral now and scoop it out. It's gonna be really great. Well, this is a little anxiety-ridden. I went to go say hi to Katie Petrus, and I came back to a corral and they've already moved. That's always part of the excitement. So now I'm gonna throw some elbows to get towards the front. Not towards the front, but towards a good spot. Oof. This was what happened since I forgot to get into my corral on time. This is all A. O'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to kick off 30 years running, our very own Pluto!
Up on our first character meet and greet. No! No way. Tarzan? Yes! Yes! Alright, here we go. In World Showcase. Woo! Yes! Yes! We did it! We're here! It's Run Disney weekend. Look at that! Flames going. World Showcase. Great music. Look at this! Woo! Okay, we got Mushu. We got Mushu. Am I gonna stop? Am I gonna stop? It's so funny being in the second wave of A. Look at these lines already. Fascinating. I'll get a lot of opportunities the rest of this weekend to meet characters. Here we got the German train town. It's for you, Jamesy. Heading over to Italy now. Gorgeous morning. Oh, yes. Woo! I love that so much. So I'm in A corral all weekend, and the A corral is bigger than the 5K and 10K. So I think for half and full, when I get the characters, the lines will be non-existent. At least that's the gamble I'm taking. I also love to see cast members from the Country of the World Showcase back in the pavilion. Woo! Come on. Come on. There's just nothing like it. Nothing like it. All right, I gotta stop gawking. Got a race to run. We're gonna head behind the gondolas and then pop back up right there. Just a little loop, a little loopsie daisy. These are necessary evils, but they are evil nonetheless. Sharp turns and races. Bogus. Mile 2. 1 and some change left. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, Max. Yes, Goof. Back in the showcase. Woo! Just in case you needed any more of a motivation to do Run Disney. When else? When else can you run through a dark Epcot to a lit up spaceship Earth? Sunday Club Cool, you are mine in race. Yeah! Got the Jaminators in the house. Woo! Woo! Alright, new way I've never gone. It's like I'm back in my college program, going towards customer services behind Test Track. Let's go. Alright, Test Track. Back entrance. I usually end Dopey weekend. We're talking about Sarah's parents during the marathon. We're gonna have a special story time right now for the beginning of Dopey. During our college program, Thanksgiving, Sarah's family came down for Thanksgiving. Sarah's dad, only time I ever got to go to Disney World with him, Mr. Disney. He shows me a bunch of the ropes. One thing I got to do, his big mantra was, act like you know, act like you're supposed to be where you are. I brought him, this is not backstage, I brought him all the way back here to like right here before we got nervous and bailed. That's where they work on the Test Track cars. One of my fondest memories with Sarah's dad. All right. I think that's all I have until the finish line. Hey-oh. Woo! Mile 3. Just a little bit further. Woohoo!
We got Goofy right here on the track.
Woo!
Hey everyone, my runners, come on up, come on
Yeah,
up.
Goofy!
Hey.
Woo!
Captain America, you got this, you got this!
Woo! Thank you.
Great job, runners.
First bling. Pluto. Woohoo! Better view of the medal here. Look at that. Love it. Such a good race. Arguably, this might be the real prize. Bring this home to Sarah and the boys. I feel the feeling they're gonna love what's in it. Alright, before I hop in the car to get back home to clean up and get ready for work, I'm gonna stop by the finish line. I see my friends over at ACS are there, and Megan, Petrus. I'm gonna say hi. I'm not running technically with ACS, this Dopey. Like, what I mean by that is registration is not through ACS. I did not fundraise for this weekend. But you guys know, and if you're new, Sarah, me, and the boys, we always fundraise for American Cancer Society. Currently have 2 donation pages live right now for Springtime Surprise and the Chicago Marathon. So those links are always down in the info, and we love all of you guys' support through sharing our story, sharing our links, donating if you're able to. It means the world to us because we're so connected to that terrible, awful known as cancer. But ACS does great work, great people, great organization, so I'm gonna go visit them, say hi, give Megan a hug, rub my sweaty hair all over her cheeks, and then get out of here.
Oh my gosh. First, Run Disney unboxing.
Oh, wow, what?
What is it? Do you want these animal crackers?
Wow, what the...
Thanks, Dad, for running and getting us snacks. Okay, what else? My fave cheese sauce. Wow, what a blessing. So instead of tortilla chips, looks like it came with these pretzels, which I dig. Sunflower kernels, not my jam, but nice. Ooh, and one of these. These are for runners. It's like a little bit of fuel. Yummy. And you cannot forget the moist towelette. Oh, are you the grumpy old troll who lives under the bridge, just waiting for something to drop?
We snuck over to the Contemporary during my lunch. I had like basically like a 45-minute break of meetings so that Sarah and the kids could go to Magic Kingdom, and I think the Erhardts are meeting her up, and then I can do my meetings from here. And there's like a lot of like, check this out. There's literally like, there's a woman over there on a meeting right now, but there's all these, I'm on the conference center floor, which I think is 2. There's couches, outlets everywhere because it's a conference center, but there's no conference going on. So I'm gonna hide out here and finish the workday from here, and then I'll be kind of ready to go come 5 o'clock. I got a cup of coffee. I feel like my mind is like firing all cylinders right now, like survival mode, since I've been awake for so long and I got so little sleep, but that's the fun about Dopey. I'm gonna try to connect my AirPods to my work laptop. Haven't done that, and I'll see you when I'm done with work.
Hello from the Contemporary. We have just parked here to meet up with the Erhardts. I am going to head to Magic Kingdom with them while Peter finishes up the workday. Both of the boys fell asleep on the ride over, which works out. So we'll get in a stroller nap and then have some magic. Oh, that train whistle. We are gonna wait for Peter for that, but look who I ran into! Let's see your bling.
Show your popcorn bucket.
Oh my gosh, that's a cool one.
They went out and about last night.
So cool. And look at this bling.
Whoa. Oh yeah.
And I like your earring bling too.
Thanks.
It's a little matchy.
I know, I'm glad I brought them because I totally didn't even remember that this was the metal. But
It's gonna be awesome.
Castle.
Have you ever been here before? While the Erhardts do the jungle cruise, I'm in this little cove. Jamesy's still napping. And Teddy has a full belly now. Testing Tron. We're just walking around. Jamesy needed out of the stroller, so we're just excited and walking through Fantasyland. Also, we just measured him and he is tall enough for Barnstormer now. So in November he was not. So he grew that little bit since then. So we'll see if maybe this trip. The train! The train! Want glasses? We are going to do Philharmagic.
Probably because my feet are still swollen because of walking.
Is it Goofy? It's Rapunzel! Look! It's Rapunzel! Oh my goodness. There's my girls again! Where's she going? Alrighty, that was pretty magical with Rapunzel. We're in line for a pretzel. Everyone's in good spirits. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, isn't this lovely? We're just gonna enjoy a little pretzel by the castle. And I'm sorry I haven't been able to vlog a ton our time in the Magic Kingdom. One adult and 2 small children. It is not for the faint of heart, but it has been so filling of the heart. Teddy's first Mickey pretzel. James got a great nap in. We just kind of bounced around, taking everything in when the Erhardts would go on rides and stroll. We hung out at Columbia Harbor House, and then Teddy snoozed while me and James just like ran around Fantasyland. I had Teddy in the carrier. I just ditched the stroller, and we just like strolled and enjoyed. And that was great, just in time for Philharmagic. And then we just had Teddy have a little snack, and now we're gonna have a little snack. And I think Peter's gonna be done with work soon, so we're just gonna hang out on Main Street until then.
All right, I am with everybody.
Yes.
So I walked over to Magic Kingdom, got to see the Erhardts, got to say hello, got to say goodbye. They went back to their resort. And then we attempted to do the train, but it was a very long wait, which is worth it, but
Yeah, and like everyone's excited, it's back,
yeah,
so.
but then they did say that because it closes at 6, which is new to us, that you would have to get off at Fantasyland or Frontierland, and like we got the kids in a stroller, and we were gonna have to wait like I think it looked like at least 2 more trains worth of waiting.
Right.
And so I'm tired, everyone's tired.
Yeah.
We need to eat food.
And we'll be back.
And we'll be
so
back.
It's all right.
Yeah, so we're gonna come back and make sure, and then we'll get to do
And
a
we
whole
want to
loop.
do the full.
Not 1/3 or 2/3.
Right. It was gonna be nice because then like we wouldn't have to walk through the park. Like Peter's running, we need to rest. All that was gonna just be like leisurely. But like then if we were all the way in Frontierland,
We have to walk all the way back.
Yeah.
So we're strolling back to Contemporary to get our car.
Yeah. Also, I know that the train does stop with fireworks, so
Yeah.
I knew it would close earlier than everything. All right.
And then a restful eating and restful evening.
Alrighty, we're back and we're making our quick dinners. This is a chopped salad kit from Target. Making it in this dish because it's the biggest bowl there is in the Airbnb. I got beans cooking from Target too. It was a can of like black kidney and chili beans all mixed together. And then the Spanish style rice. So super quick. I also have some salsa and hummus, and we're just gonna like make little salad bowls and call it a day. Ooh.
All right, James is snacking a little bit. It's what, 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
8:10. Going to bed shortly. I'm gonna put James downstairs. And
So
Teddy.
much earlier than yesterday.
I'm exhausted.
Are you proud?
I am.
10K tomorrow.
10K tomorrow.
Are you prepared?
Yeah, my clothes are set out and everything. And I'm also jazzed because I have a really busy day at work, but then I'm done. So like that's exciting. 10K.
Yeah.
And then busy day at work, but get it through.
Yeah.
And then it's vacation.
It's good to be home.
Good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.